Searches and share Clone Go on Google. Download and install Clone Go on your computer. Then launch the software. Click the Copy option in the left panel of the interface. Select the source target, which is a partition or the Windows system. Choose a partition of your SSD as the destination target to store the copied system or partition. Click the Start button to execute the copying operation. And a warning box will pop out to remind you that the destination target will be formatted. Click OK to confirm. Once the copying completed, a prompt will be popped out to remind you. Now, you can boot up the computer with the SSD.